Hey folks, let's see. Okay, yeah, time to clean up the carburetor, huh? Take it apart anyway. And that's how you don't do it. Ah, okay, as luck would have it, I found all the parts. So, let's get some of this stuff out of the way here. Okay, so these pieces all go to this, I don't know, pump arm or whatever it is. Right, the spring goes there. This larger bit of plastic goes here. And then this guy goes on there. Another plastic nylon washer goes on there. And then the cotter pin goes there, right? So, all those pieces are accounted for. The shorter, fatter spring goes under this guy, right? On there, or however that goes. Looks like the only casualty is the diaphragm here. Let's see, where was I prying? I was prying over here, and yeah, I don't know, it's hard to tell. So, this little bit of missing material, I don't know, that could have been missing before, but I'm pretty sure I put that little gouge in right there. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to replace this guy. All I wanted to do was pry it just a little bit. Oh well, it happens. They make replacements for it. Let's see, this guy. Okay, that's plenty disassembled. Now, that's really what? Oh, it is. Okay, there's no time for loose. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, so there's a largish hook, and this is mostly for my benefit now, but there's a largish hook on this round tab on the this thing, and then there's a smaller, more squarish hook in this notch. So that's the orientation of the screw. Let's see if we can get that spring loose. There we go. Okay. So it didn't actually go. So it just needs to reach around there when we're ready to put it back. So okay, I can do that. Okay, washer. Okay, so there's a lock washer. Comes out next. Then this whole guy. Oop. Oh, and it's key. Okay, that makes sense. It's keyed to the shaft. The shaft is not round, even though it's threaded. It's keyed, so that makes sense. So it only goes so far too. Ooh, look at that O-ring. I'm not sure about that. Ooh. Let's see, we got a little rubber guy that, yeah, that's pretty mangled, and then we got is that nylon? That's some kind of plastic. So that is, hopefully this is on camera. Do I have the camera low enough? That'd be funny if I did this whole thing, it was out of frame, right? See? Oh man, that's not much. Oh, those are unsolid. Look at this. This is what happens when I use it. It's all twisted. Other people use it and these things come right out. That's why it's my last resort. I don't like it. It's one of my least favorite tools. I don't know if that's much better. Probably because these would these be JIS screws instead of Phillips? Nope, all it's doing is rounding the head off. So, nerds to that. I'm going to go back to my oh man, all it's doing is deforming the metal. Oh, got it. Yay! Okay. Just gotta get it nice and tight. Okay. Come on, one more. Oh, I think I got it. Didn't move very far, but it doesn't have to, right? Yeah. Ah, I got him. Okay, thanks for nothing, impact screwdriver, once again. These screws are not going back in. I'm gonna find something else. There's a $10 replacement set that's all Allen screws. There's like 35 pieces. Half of them are screws and half of them are washers, so. Oh boy. Anyway. But yeah, these screws are definitely not going back in. I doubt they will survive another removal. Okay. Yeah, I went through with penetrating oil, let it soak overnight too. So this is what they do after soaking overnight. Okay, that guy wasn't so bad. And that guy's not so bad. That's nice. So let's see what's under here. Well, other than a whole bunch of gook, not much. Let's see. There we go. Wow. Look at that. That's a tail fit. Oh, no, that's okay. Yeah, this works so well last time. Oh, interesting. Okay. So that needs to be done. Okay. Okay. I'll get there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's a screw way down in there. I think I will clean this up a bit before I try to get that out. Good news! I found something to contain all the parts so they don't go flying. Well, at least they won't all go flying the next time I send something flying. Bad news, that stupid impact screwdriver fell crooked somehow in my drawer. Now I can't get my drawer closed. So no more screwdrivers of any kind until I can figure out how to get that fixed. Yeah. So far, it's just in those two screws. That's a big issue. All these other screws come nice and easy. So let's hope that continues to be the trend. I'm having screws that really. It was a big screw here, I think it's like the drain valve or something, I guess. And then we got 4 football screws. Ow, let's see here. How do I do this again? There we go, okay, I guess I can hang that. Okay. Oh, it's starting to smell some old gas. Oh, I think I need a new diaphragm here too. Now that I know I didn't do. Oh, there's another one. Oh, the crease that's turning into a tear maybe. Not sure. Yeah, this is kind of a shape. There's the dams there and there that go all the way through, and there's a couple ones off there. You can see them there. Yeah. Yeah, I have to replace this diaphragm also. So fortunately, I have seen one unit. They're not cheap, but I can shop around and see if I can get what the best price will be. But yeah, I got both of those diaphragms I have to replace. Well, probably 4 years old, so. Okay, let's take that out too. See if we can. Oh boy. Okay, we got a little piece of goopy something. We got a little ring there. Sounds like a bendable. It's hollow, and there's little holes on the other side there. So trying to get off the cell phone, but that one. I definitely need to. I don't know. The instructions on how to adjust these on Haynes manual is very convoluted in my personal opinion. At least I understand it. Maybe smart people know what I'm saying, so I just read it. But that's on there good tight. So we're not supposed to do something weird like take this like a needle or something out of there first, are we? So it's just a matter of breaking the seal loose here. There we go. Should we use this at the time? No, we don't. Okay. Excellent. Well, there's a little crud in the bottom there. Not a whole lot. Ooh, there's a little whatever that is. A jet maybe. There's supposed to be a couple of jets. And I hear something rattling around. That must be a ball valve in there somewhere. Oh, is that it? No, that's a plug. Okay. And that's all it took. Good. Yeah, this carburetor's been bone dry for a while, so we'll have to see if the floats float. Hopefully they do, because I don't think we can get new floats. The needle valve, or the needle, the float needle, looks like it might be just a little bit worn, but it's hard to tell. And the float seat there looks like it's just brass. So, okay. Well, let's set that aside for the moment. Put stuff down there. These guys. The only other piece to take out of this guy that I can see is this fellow here. I think I need a small... Oh, crap. I think I need a smaller screwdriver. Guess where my screwdrivers are? They're in the drawer that stupid impact screwdriver has messed up. Okay, I may have to fix that and come back to this. Got him. Okay. Perfect. Okay. It's not a second piece, is it? It's all one piece? Okay. Well, that's got something shiny down in it. Let's poke at it. Spring-loaded. It's not the one piece, but that's interesting. Okay. So that piece there goes in here. There's no apparent markings that I can see, so I'm not sure what that is. We'll figure it out. Anything gonna come out of there?